Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the side marker. As you can see, I already replaced the passenger side one, and I'm not 100% happy. Why? Because you can see the amber lights. I don't know, it looks weird, like I prefer the side marker completely white or clear. uh, from afar, it doesn't look that bad, but yeah, you can see it. But anyways, it definitely looks better than the yellow one. So so I bought it on eBay. It came on this box, and then this is the old one. So I check on YouTube before changing it. Like everybody, oh, it's very easy. It has, you have to play with it. It can be pulled like this. It has to be like one side first, etc. So yeah, that's true, but it wasn't that easy. I saw videos of people doing it with their hands. I honestly, I use gloves and I couldn't. So I ended up using this tool. And it definitely, I still was a little bit challenging to remove it because it was my first time, but once I removed this one, so everything else was pretty easy. As you can see, it's the same one. I'm sorry, I'm using only one hand. So you can see it's the same one. I mean, this is, of course, a different side, but it's the same thing. And then this one is, it's already have the conversion. So you just have to plug it in and you're good to go. I didn't do anything else. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the passenger side one. I hope you guys can see. I just try to pull it. Honestly, it was actually easier on this side. So that's weird. So there's a ring here. You just push it down. Very careful. I don't want to. Wow, this tool, this tool is the best thing ever. So, so you get the new one, and it's only one way to install it. Plug it in. There you go. Once you hear the click, that means that it's installed. Yeah, I think it's better the front first and then the back. Yeah, absolutely. And then voila! Yeah, it's already installed. There you go. So this is how it looks turn on. And let's see the other one. It works. So yeah, definitely looks better than the other one. Well guys, this video was an easy do-it-yourself video, so I appreciate you watched it. Don't forget to, if you like the video, click the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.